This is the video for the buttermilk banana pancakes. I had posted a video before and didn't do a video for it. So here's the video. It's just 1 1/4 cups all-purpose flour, just white unbleached flour. 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 egg, 1 1/4 cups low-fat, non-fat buttermilk, and 1 banana mashed up, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. You're just going to whisk together your flour with your baking soda and baking powder. Mix them good. You can sift them together too. And then add your buttermilk and egg, butter, and banana. Mix them good. Try not to overwork the flour too much. You end up with chewy pancakes. You just want it mixed together. Don't use a mixer. Just whisk it. Use a ripe banana, one that looks like it's about ready to go bad. You just want to mash it. You don't want it too fine. You don't want to puree it. Just mashed. There's a little bit of chunky banana in the pancake batter. That's our batter all mixed together. Bananas are in there. At this point, if you wanted to, you could add chopped walnuts or pecans. You can substitute the apple or banana for apples or blueberries or blackberries or raspberries. Walnuts. Some people even put crumpled up bacon in there mixed with maple. You put a little maple syrup in there to begin with bacon in it. Or just, this is how we like it, just a banana. You could put a little cinnamon in there too to your taste, but this is just for the simple banana. Got our electric griddle heating up. You're going to heat it to about 300 degrees. Before you put the pancakes on there, put a little dab of butter on there on the grill. When you're cooking them, you'll see the bubbles start to appear on the edges in the center. You'll have to check them to see when they're done. When it's done on one side like you like it, you go ahead and flip them over and cook them about the same amount of time. You can do them in a pan too, but this electric skillet works good and it cleans up super easy. It's a little easier to control the temperature on. There's a little smattering of butter on there. Let's go ahead and cook some pancakes. There we are. They're cooking now. One of the biggest mistakes people make with pancakes is heat too high and not cooking them all the way through. You'll start to see the bubbles appear here shortly. Once the bubbles start to appear, give them probably another minute before you flip them. If you're using an electric skillet or anything that's coated, make sure you use a plastic spatula. If you use a steel one, you'll tear the coating up on the surface. So just use a plastic spatula like this one here. Non-marring plastic. Okay, we just flipped them. Gonna cook them on the other side now. The two first ones should almost be done. These should turn out nice and light and fluffy. If they turn out harder and chewy, you probably beat the flour too much. There's the first two. Look good, nice and light and fluffy. There's another three. These are fairly good sized pancakes. You can make them smaller or you can make them bigger. You've still got enough for maybe two more pancakes. That's a nice color right there. Just waiting for them other two and then probably got two more to do. You can eat these with a lot of syrup on them or not. They've already got enough butter on them. You should be able to eat them just the way they are, with no syrup, no more butter. They're good just like this. If you have leftovers, you can save them for later. Reheat them for just a couple of minutes, or eat them cold. They're good cold too. This should just be about it. I just flipped them. The other two, I'm getting ready to eat. Sausages are cooked. Just waiting on these to be done. I'm just using regular white unbleached flour in here. If you can get it, you can do the same recipe with buckwheat. It's harder to get buckwheat now. These old-fashioned buckwheat pancakes. I think you can still get buckwheat on Amazon, but your local grocery store probably ain't gonna have it. Looks like we ended up with about 7 pancakes. The last one's kind of big. That always ends up being the case. You see the bubbles coming up through the center there. Right on the edges. If you can get one of these electric griddles, they're pretty neat. They're cheap. They clean up really easy. They control the temperature a little bit better than doing it on the stove. You use them for all kinds of stuff. You use them for pancakes and hash browns, sausages, bacon, frying up hot dogs for breakfast. Just about anything. It's quick and easy, cleans up. You don't even wash it, you basically just wipe it off. Cleans up that easy. You have no problem with food sticking to it, just wipes right off. That's the last two. I'm ready to eat. Smells good in here. Got a nice banana smell. A little bit of butter. Sausage smells good. Wife's sitting over there. She's ready to eat now. Enjoy it, you guys.